Place this simple bottle inside a toilet tank. It's game changer. Okay, let's be completely honest for a second. Nobody actually enjoys scrubbing the toilet bowl every single week. It's easily the worst chore in the house. And the moment you think you've got it clean, a couple of days pass, the hard water hits, and that annoying ring starts coming right back. A while ago, I started looking into how to just automate this whole process, so I never have to look at a toilet brush again. And that's where this system comes in. We're starting off with 91% isopropyl alcohol. I know some people are going to see this and think, why alcohol? But trust me, regular water or watered-down cleaners just sit there and get slimy. The alcohol acts as a heavy solvent. It's what keeps all these different thick soaps we're about to mix from clumping up and separating over time. It keeps the whole fluid smooth so it actually dispenses correctly. Next up, we're adding a capful of our multi-surface cleaner and some purple Fabuloso. Now, a lot of people just pour cleaner straight into their toilet tank to make the bathroom smell good. Please do not do that. If you just dump raw cleaner or bleach tablets into your tank, the chemicals are way too harsh for the rubber flapper and the seals inside your toilet plumbing. Over time, it completely corrodes them, and you're going to end up with a leaking toilet and a massive plumber bill. That is exactly why we are mixing this outside of the tank first and building a controlled delivery system. The multi-surface cleaner gives you that baseline sanitation. And the Fabuloso is there because, let's face it, we want the bathroom to smell amazing every single time the door opens. But the real magic happens when we combine these with the next ingredient. This right here is the absolute game changer, classic blue dish soap. If you take away anything from this video, let it be this. Standard toilet bowl cleaners are incredibly thin. You flush, they look blue for a second, and then they wash completely down the drain, leaving the porcelain totally bare. Dish soap is literally engineered to do the exact opposite. It's made to cling to surfaces, cut through grease, and fight off mineral buildup. When you mix it into this alcohol base, it creates this thick, slippery shield on the inside of your toilet bowl. So when the hard water hits the porcelain, the minerals literally can't stick to it. They just slide right down. You're essentially stopping the stain from forming before it even has a chance to start. Mix it all up until it's this nice, even ocean blue color. And then grab any empty plastic water bottle you have lying around. Once your bottle is prepped with a few micro holes in the cap, flip it completely upside down and drop it right into the corner of your toilet tank. Make sure it's tucked away from the moving parts like the chain or the flapper so it doesn't get in the way of the mechanics. Look closely at it. See how it's not leaking. It's completely dormant. But watch what happens the exact second you flush the toilet. The water level in the tank drops instantly. The pressure changes, and that sudden shift forces a perfect microdose of our blue solution out of those tiny holes and straight into the water stream. The bowl gets cleaned, sanitized, and coated with that dish soap shield automatically, with zero effort from you. This bottle will easily last you a couple of months, and your toilet stays spotless. Drop a comment below if you've been looking for a way to stop scrubbing your bathroom, and let me know, are you going to give this a try?